What happened?
My phone! It fell in the water!
Where is it?
It is in the sink! Good morning, everyone!
Good morning, Emma.
Good morning, Mom! Good morning, Dad! Good morning! The sun is bright today. Breakfast is ready soon. What are we eating, Mom? We are eating eggs and toast. I want toast with jam. Me too! Jam is my favorite!
Mia, can you help me set the table?
Yes, Dad. I will get the plates. I will get the cups.
Thank you, kids. You are very helpful.
I understand. This is easy.
After breakfast, we need to wash the dishes.
Yes, and we need to go to the market. Can I help wash the dishes? Of course, sweetie. Thank you. I want to help too. The water is warm.
Be careful, Mia. The sink is full of water.
Okay, Mom, I am careful.
Mia, is your phone in your pocket?
Yes, Dad. It is right here. Oh no!
What happened?
My phone! It fell in the water!
Where is it?
It is in the sink, under the water.
Stay calm, Mia. I will get it.
Is it broken, Dad?
Let's see. Don't worry yet.
Here is a towel. Dry it carefully. I am sorry. I was not careful. Can we turn it on now?
No, Leo. Not yet.
Why not?
Water and electricity are not safe together.
That is a good question, Leo. Phone, water, dry.
Good job, Mia. Can you say it again?
Phone, water, dry. I can say it too. Phone, water, dry. Excellent, both of you. Now subscribe and learn with us.
Hello. Can you help us? Hello. Of course. What happened? The phone fell in water this morning.
Can you fix it, please?
This will take 1 hour.
1 hour? Okay, we can wait. 1 hour is a long time.
We can wait at the cafe.
I hope my phone is okay. The repair will take 1 hour.
Good idea. Let's wait at the cafe.
I am a little hungry. Me too. I want hot chocolate. Let's see the menu first. Hello. What would you like to order? 1 coffee, please.
Tea for me, please.
Orange juice, please. Hot chocolate, please. I hope my phone is okay. Don't worry. It will be fine.
The repair shop is very good.
I like hot chocolate. I like orange juice too.
Good news! Your phone is fixed.
Really? Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Please be more careful next time. I will. Thank you.
Great news! Let's go home.
What a nice morning, even with a small accident. My phone is safe now, and you are safe too. Remember, Mia, be careful near water. Yes, Dad, I will remember.
Water and phones do not go together.
Water and phones do not go together. Okay, I understand now. Subscribe and learn English with us. This book is fun. My car is fast.
Everyone is happy this afternoon.
Yes, a calm afternoon is nice. I like calm afternoons. Look at this funny photo. That is so funny. We are a happy family.
Yes, a very happy family. See you next time.
We need to go to the market. What do we need, Mom? We need milk, eggs, and apples.
The fridge is almost empty.
Can we buy cookies too? I want red apples, please.
Good choice, Mia.
I want a banana. Bananas are healthy too. Apple, banana, milk, eggs. That is $5, please.
Here you are. Thank you.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Thank you. The bag is heavy. I can carry a bag too.
Thank you, Mia. You are strong.
Can I carry one too?
This bag is light. You can carry it.
Yes, I am strong too.
Let's put everything away.
I will put the eggs here.
Be careful, they can break.
I am careful, Dad. Where do the cookies go?
It is raining outside.
I like the sound of rain. We can stay inside today.
What can we do inside?
We can play a game. Let's play this game. I want to play too.
Great choice. Let's set it up.
I go first, okay? Okay, then me next. I win! I win! That is not fair!
It's okay, Leo. Let's play again.
Good game, Leo. Okay, one more game.
Lunch is ready. It's warm soup.
I love soup on rainy days. It smells so good.
Be careful, it is hot.
Okay, I will blow on it first. Look, a rainbow.
It is so beautiful. The rain has stopped now.
Let's go outside and see it.
Yes, let's go. I see the park. Let's run to the swings.
Wait for us, kids.
Be careful, don't fall.
Okay, Mom, we are careful.
Higher, higher. Push me too, Dad.
Hold on tight, Leo.
This is so much fun.
You both look so happy.
Whee! That was fast. Look at my sandcastle. Can I help build it? Yes, please help me.
Time for a picnic snack.
Here is your sandwich, Leo. Thank you, Mia.
This is a lovely park.
I love picnics in the park. I am tired.
We had a fun day at the park.
They are beautiful, Mia. Let's go home and rest.
Are you ready for school, Mia?
Yes, Mom.
I have my backpack.
Do you have your books? Yes, all my books are here.
Great, let's go.
Do you like school, Mia?
Yes, Dad. I like my teacher.
What is your favorite subject?
I like art class the most.
That's wonderful, Mia. Have a good day, Mia.
Bye, Dad. See you later.
Good morning, Mia. Come on in.
Good morning, teacher.
I will pick you up at 3.
Who knows this word?
I know. It is apple.
Very good, Mia.
Thank you, teacher.
Let's learn a new word now.
Dad, I am here.
Hi, Mia. How was school?
It was great. I learned new words.
Tell me about them at home.
Okay, let's go home.
Where is my toy robot?
What's wrong, Leo? I cannot find my robot.
Let's look together.
Okay, thank you, Mia. Is it under the couch? No, not here. Is it in the closet? No, not there either. Let's think. Where did you play last? There it is, on the counter. You left it there after breakfast. I remember now. I am happy we found it. Thank you for helping me, Mia.
Put your toys in the box, Leo.
Okay, Dad. I will remember.
Then you will not lose them.
That is a good idea. I will keep my toys safe now.
Are you ready for a story, Leo?
Yes, Mom. My robot wants to hear too. Okay, let's begin.
I love story time. Good night, my sweet boy. Hello, my dear family.
Grandma, you are here. I missed you, Grandma.
Welcome home, Mom. I made your favorite cookies.
They smell amazing, Grandma. Can we eat one now?
Yes, but wait, they are hot.
Okay, we will wait a little.
Do you want to hear a story?
Yes, please, Grandma. Tell us a story about when you were young.
Okay, let me think of a good one.
I am ready to listen.
We plant the seed here, like this.
Like this, Grandma?
Yes, very good, Mia.
I am watering the plants. Wonderful. Plants need water to grow.
I have to go home now.
Please come back soon, Grandma. I will, my darling. We love you, Grandma.
I love you all too. Goodbye.
Leo's birthday is next week.
We need balloons and a cake.
I will make a list.
Good idea, Mia.
Shh! Leo is coming! The balloons look great!
I am hanging the streamers. Be careful on the stool, Mia. I am careful, Mom.
This party will be wonderful! Happy birthday, Leo!
Wow, thank you, everyone. Happy birthday, my sweet boy.
We love you, Leo!
This is the best day ever. Make a wish, Leo. I know my wish already.
Ready? 1, 2, 3! I did it!
Happy birthday, Leo. Thank you for the presents. I picked this one for you. I love it, Mia.
This cake is delicious. What a wonderful birthday.
We are going to the beach today. I am so excited. I need my float.
It will not fit, Leo.
Okay, I will carry it separately. The ocean is so big. I love the beach.
Let's put the towels here.
Don't forget your sunscreen, kid.
Let's build a big castle. I will make the tower.
This castle looks amazing.
We did it together. It is the best castle ever. The water is so cool. Watch this big splash. You splashed me too. Sorry, Mom. It was fun though. Let's jump over the waves. The sunset is so pretty.
What a beautiful day at the beach.
I am happy but tired. Let's watch the sunset together. I love our family days. The leaves are so colorful. It is autumn now.
Yes, the weather is getting cooler.
I love orange leaves. I love yellow leaves.
Let's rake the leaves together.
I will make a big pile. This pile is huge.
Good job, both of you.
Can we jump in it now? Here I go. My turn now.
You two are silly.
This is so much fun. Best leaf pile ever.
Here is warm apple cider for everyone.
It smells like cinnamon. My hands are warm now.
This is the best autumn drink.
I love autumn so much. Leaf, autumn, cold.
Very good. Say it again.
Leaf, autumn, cold. Excellent job, both of you. Learning English is fun.